So we got a '05 Nissan 350z. Really beautiful car. As you guys can see, it's all done, fixed up. And this is what not to do, guys, okay? It's got high flow cats, so, and headers, this side and this side, as you guys can see, put somewhere else. And then there's factory exhaust all the way back. And then they put a glass pack on it. This other muffler shop did. And then ran factory pipe again, and then pieced it together again and put a dual system on it the wrong way. So as you guys can see, it comes in from the engine side all the way, and then it winds in over here. But as you guys can see, there's no airflow to go back here and out this side. So all the air passes in the morning, all you see is passing through here. So it's basically like a single. And this one's like a dummy other side. So that's not what to do when you want to dual it out these Nissans. That's the wrong way to do it. And he put the factory tips back on it for him. So we're going to take all that off and put a vibrant system on it, custom built, true dual, all the way back with 5-inch blue flame tips. As you guys can see, it'll look a lot nicer than before. As you guys can see, does not sound good. Give a guess. Here's sound decibels. 123 is just obnoxiously loud, but it has no tone. Again. So we'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys. So we showed you what it looked like before, with the hack job over there, and we fixed it. So as you guys can see, still got the high flow cats and manifolds there and there. There's the high flow cats. Then we true dualed it all the way into some vibrants right there and right there. Part number 1794s. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, rear muffler delete there and there, which that's how it's supposed to look, into some 5-inch tips there and there, blue flame. This looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. A lot better than this Y pipe setup that you guys can see right there. Is just, I don't know, trash. The customer said it. There it is. So there'll be a link in the description for the tips and everything. There'll also be a link for the vibrants. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. Now it's actually breathing. And it's going to be loud. Oh my God. As you guys can see, it's a lot louder, but a lot more better sound. No more of that. Again. It hit 125. That's crazy. Wow. That's awesome. Nice, man. Go ahead. Yeah. Again. Oh my God, my ears. This sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. I'm going to let you hear on the inside. Nissan 350z. You can still hear